Today on Judge Porter.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session.
And I was gonna give her a warning, and she started getting loud and started getting disrespectful and got in my face, and she was just out of control.
I'm sorry. I just get emotional when people harass me.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session.
Hello, everyone. Please be seated.
Board, let's try to get through this one real quick. I'm hungry, man.
Yeah. I will do my best, brother. I will do my best. Let's see here. Case number 3094, Linda Stevenson versus Mango Park. Ms. Stevenson, can you come to the podium? Do we have a representative of Mango Park here?
Yes, Judge Porter.
Sergeant Garrett, come to the podium. How are you today?
How are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Ms. Stevenson, before we start, I need to give you a disclaimer. Sergeant Garrett here, as you know, is a member of the Mango Park Police Department. I am also a member of the Mango Park Police Department, and Sergeant Garrett here is one of my subordinates, but I can assure you, I will give you a fair and impartial trial.
Right. Absolutely.
That's what I thought I heard you say. So, Ms. Stevenson, I'm not sure why we're here. Is this involving a ticket?
Okay, here's what happened. I was peacefully driving my Maserati down the road.
Okay.
When this jealous cop.
Jealous?
Yes, he's jealous of my car, obviously.
What gives you the inclination that he's jealous of your car?
Because he was following me for a good bit. Okay?
Isn't that like part of his job, to follow people that he think may be suspicious or
Not if
committing
they're
a crime?
not doing anything wrong, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay? So
Continue.
I was driving down the road very peacefully, very calmly in my Maserati, and this jealous officer starts following me. Eventually, he pulls me over on some excuse. Then he starts being very rude to me.
What was the
telling me
hold
I
on,
had
wait.
tickets.
Let's take it piece by piece. What was the excuse that he gave you, ma'am?
He said I made an illegal turn.
An illegal turn. Did you make an illegal turn?
Possibly. See, there were a lot of confusing
hold on.
street
That's a
signs.
yes or no question. Did you or did you not?
I guess.
You guess. So yes, you made an illegal turn.
I think so. I mean, that's what he said.
Did you or did you not make an illegal turn?
I believe so.
Okay, continue.
Okay, so he pulls me over. He starts yelling at me. And then he goes on his little radio thing and he says, I have a ton of tickets, which I never knew about, that my license was suspended, which is ridiculous. I've never had my license suspended in my life. I'm a member of the Mango Park Seniors for Maserati Club, and we do not get our licenses suspended, okay? I'm an upstanding member of this local community. And I just feel like I was unfairly targeted and unfairly ticketed.
Okay.
He didn't want to listen to
Unfairly
anything I had to say about it.
Sergeant Garrett, sir, can you shed some light onto this?
Well, Judge Porter.
Well, before you start, she said you're jealous of her car. You jealous of her car?
I don't think so, Judge.
Okay. Did you tell her that you were jealous of her car?
No. Why
Okay.
would I?
All
He
right.
doesn't have to tell me. I can tell.
Okay. Sergeant
Well,
Garrett, please give us your
First
side
of
of the
all,
story.
I was doing my job, and I always do my job by the book. And I'm driving in the car in front of me, swerving, switching lanes without signals. Then we come to a stop, and she made an illegal right turn on a one-way down the wrong way. So I pulled her over, ran her information through dispatch. Dispatch got back to me and told me that she has a suspended driver's license. Came back to the car, I informed her what was going on. She started yelling, screaming, on top of her lungs. And I'm like, what's going on here?
Now, wait
I was-
a minute.
I was
Miss
extremely polite.
Miss Stevenson, you had the floor. Let him continue.
I was extremely polite, doing everything by the book. And she just got out of control.
It's interesting you should say that. I pulled up your driving record as well as your driving history. Right now, you do have some outstanding parking and moving violation citations. Outstanding. In the amount of, hold on. The amount of, right now, stands that you owe $1,250 in fines for these citations. And, oh, by the way, your license does show suspended.
This is incredible to me.
I think it's incredible also that you haven't paid any of this.
I didn't know about
plus,
them.
you, what?
I never got any communications from Mango Park about these violations, these so-called
Sergeant Garrett,
violations.
did you give her a ticket?
Judge Porter, I was actually going to give her a warning, and I could have gotten her car towed. And I was going to give her a warning, and she started getting loud and started getting disrespectful and got in my face, and she was just out of control.
Okay,
So I
did
wrote
he
her-
give you a ticket?
Did he give me a ticket?
Yes, ma'am, a citation.
think
Did
so,
he give you
eventually.
think so? Did he give you a piece of paper, told you sign right here? Did he do that?
I think I remember that.
Oh, you think you remember. I guess you kind of remember these citations here on my computer screen, but you don't remember that either, right?
I'm here because I didn't think it was fair
You don't think what is fair, ma'am?
that he would pick on me like that.
Judge Porter, that was after
Hold
her
on,
outburst.
hold on, Mike. How the hell is he picking on you?
There was a lot of construction. The week before that,
Did
one-way
you
street
make
was
an
one
illegal-
way going the other way,
Ma'am,
and now it's this way.
Ma'am,
I got confused.
Are there
okay?
signs? Are there signs on that street? On
I
this
don't
street?
know. Are there? I got confused.
So you telling me that you didn't see the signs? You didn't see a sign that said you can't turn here.
I don't think I saw the sign.
Oh, my goodness. Judge, I have a job to do. So
Oh, I know you lying.
I'm sorry. I just get emotional when people harass me.
You know what? I understand. There's a lot of pressure that you're under right now, ma'am. I understand. And I'm pretty sure that you want to be out of here so you can go on with your life and your day. Correct? And I feel you on that. And you're right. I don't think that you should be in here any longer than you need to be. So this is what I'm going to do for you. We'll make this quick and clear. You're going to go to traffic school for all these citations.
Traffic school?
It's a 4-hour class. There's a fee for that. I don't know what the fee is. You have to go through the system, find out.
Can the fee be waived? I've never been to traffic school in my life.
I'm waving at you
You're
right
making
now,
fun
ma'am.
of me now.
Now, once you go to traffic school and you complete that successfully, they're going to give you some paper, and you take that paper to the driver's license place to get your driver's license to pay the reinstatement for the ticket. But prior to that, this $1,250 in citations, you have to pay for that. Now, look, I'm trying to do you a favor to get you out of here.
$1,200 in citations? I never even knew I had one. How are you going to make me pay them?
Judge Porter, I had a job to do. Lives were at risk.
Oh, Miss Stevenson, if you can afford a vintage Maserati, you can afford this $1,250 in citations that you created and that you're responsible for. You're paying that. You're going to traffic school.
My car is very expensive. There's a lot of repairs, so
You need a lot of repairs. But it was okay to drive on the roadway and make an illegal turn and go down the wrong way on a one-way street. But you needed repairs. You need to get your priorities together, okay? Take care of these citations, take care of this license, go to traffic school.
But he was so rude to me.
You want me to be rude to you?
He was yelling at me.
You want me to be rude to you and yell at you? I am very good at it. I promise you I can do that. So, can I hit my gavel and make this case adjourned, or do we have to take this another way? Because if I go the other way, you're not going home.
Way?
Judge, just because I informed her that her license was suspended, I was being rude.
Do you want to go to jail today, yes or no?
Me?
He
Are
gave you a
talking to
break.
Me?
He gave you a break and didn't take you to jail. You're trying my patience. Now, I told you what you need to do. I told you the fines that you need to do. I told you the court case that you need to take care of. I told you about traffic school. Now, if you want to act up in my courtroom after I've done all of this, I can take you there. We can go that route. Now, do you want to walk out of here under your own power, or do you want Jeff to take you out of here? The choice is yours.
I just want my rights respected.
Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Sergeant. Go, pay these fines. Go.
Try to warn you.
Entitlement.
I'll get your back.
I need you guys to exit, please. Thank you.
Well, I was doing my job as always. I gave her a ticket for a suspended driver's license, and she got mad at me, and hey, Judge Porter made the right decision.
Well, I just think rich people get discriminated against far too often these days. We get called Karens and all kinds of terrible things, and people are just jealous because we've had people in our family working for a long time for this money, and people just want our money.